What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about my 17th dividend payment from AGNC Investment. Now, this is really exciting for me. It's been a while since I've done a dividend paying video, but it's okay. I'm back again, and in this video we're talking about AGNC Investment and my 17th dividend payment. We're going to take a look at my portfolio and currently where I stand in regards to AGNC. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so if you're brand new to the channel, then you probably don't know I don't claim to be a guru, nowhere close. Basically, the purpose of the channel is to document my journey in regards to the stock market and show you what's possible. In the process, I've managed to started trading. I think I started back in 2020, around May 2020, and I was like, I'm gonna be a day trader. I got this. Buy low, sell high. It's easy. And I kind of got smacked around a little bit, and I found myself down negative $63,000. As a matter of fact, I'll show you guys that right here on the screen. So currently you're looking at my portfolio with Robinhood, and as of the recording of this video today, it's currently worth $294,000. As you can see, I'm currently up $6,293. Apple is doing very well today. Apple's gone up a couple of bucks, and so therefore my portfolio is out of control. Actually, let me show you guys. First, let me show you that I was down $63,000. So I'll click on all real quickly on the screen here, and you guys can see that basically since May of 2020, I've invested roughly $254,000. Okay, then I found myself here in October of 2020. I was down negative $63,000. So that clearly was a big dip. Okay, and then I was like, okay, you're not a day trader. You're failing big time. And I decided to sell the majority of my positions, and I bought a lot of Apple and Tesla and some other stocks, which kind of helped me recover my portfolio. But as you can see, my journey with the stock market has been all over the place. As I go along the cursor here, you can see I was, still below the $254,000. And then, of course, you can see here, I was way up. I think I was at $300,000. Maybe like 315, I thought, but it says 300. So we'll go with 300. And then as you can see here, I was down 248. So the stock market's clearly all over the place. And today I'm currently at 294. Okay. So my all time since investing on Robinhood, I'm currently up $36,000, which always makes you feel really, really good. So that's currently where my portfolio sits. In regards to Apple, let me show you guys what Apple is doing today. Let me just show you in a separate tab because I have a lot of shares with Apple. So this is Apple, as you guys can see here. It's opening eventually. And today alone, Apple, my return is up $4,736, and Apple went up $3.89. You can see it underneath what Apple is trading for. It's trading for $173.94 right now, and it went up $3.89 today. And so that would explain why my portfolio overall, my portfolio is up today. It is up $6,219. When I first quoted it, it was $6,293. Now it's $6,219. Of course, the stock market's still open, so as you're going to see, it's going to fluctuate. All right, let me show you guys what I have going on with AGNC Investment. This is my 17th dividend payment. So right now, AGNC is trading for $13.05. My average cost per share is right here, $14.93. I currently own 203 shares. I think they're paying, I want to say 10 or 12 cents. We'll clarify that in just a minute. So as you guys can see, my total return for today, down 4%. My total return overall is I am currently down negative 12%, which happens to be $382.46. So now would be a good time for me to grab some more shares with AGNC. But of course, I'm always kind of slow about doing that. I really should grab some more shares and kind of average my average cost down from $14.93. but it's fine. We'll see what happens, and maybe I'll grab some more shares in the future. All right, so I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to show you guys. I will click on Show More, and then I will click on March 9th was my most recent dividend payment. As you guys can see here, I received a dividend payment from AGNC, and because I had 201 shares at the time, they were paying 12 cents per share, which allowed me to get a payment of $24.15. Okay. Right after that, AGNC, because I have dividend reinvestment plan turned on, which is DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan. I have that turned on in Robinhood. As you can see, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some shares for me. They were able to grab 1.81 shares, and it cost $13.30. Remember, my average cost is like $14.35 or something like that. $14.05, I think my average cost is. So that was cool. While the dividend being reinvested, I was able to grab 1.8 shares, and that allowed me to eventually, I'm bringing my average cost down. If the shares continue to be lower than my average cost, then it's going to keep creeping down little by little. Let me show you guys here. I want to show you the dividend payments. Let's take a look at the dividend payments that I've gotten from basically March of last year until now. So as you can see here, dividend payment of $24.15, and I'm going to scroll all the way back down to March. So back here, March 2021, you see a dividend payment for $22.13. Okay, so that's a dividend increase of basically, not a dividend payment increase, but that is basically an increase of $2.02. Now, of course, that's not a lot, but I didn't do anything to get that increase from March 2021 to March 2022. I did not purchase any more shares with my money. All the shares that were purchased was the dividend payment being reinvested. So the dividend payment for me has increased $2. Doesn't necessarily seem like a lot, but that's just 1 year. If we consider 20 years down the road, and let's say I don't buy any more shares, that payment's going to continue to grow over time. So that's really exciting to kind of see the power of getting dividend payments and how that pays you over time. Okay. Once again, let me show you guys where my AGNC is trading for right now. Right now it's trading for $13.05, and my average cost is $14.93. So this would be, once again, a perfect opportunity for me to invest more money with AGNC and average my cost down even lower. You know, I could probably bring it down to like $14 and some change, depending on how many shares I was able to grab. Maybe I'll do a video about that. We'll see how it goes. I'm trying not to keep pumping so much money into the stock market. So right now, I'm just trying to lay low, okay? Because I actually have some margin investing that I'm using with Robinhood. I decided to jump on margin investing. Once again, not a guru, don't necessarily know a lot, don't know a lot about margin investing, but it's a pretty good deal right now with Robinhood. You're able to do some margin investing, which basically they're going to kind of lend you money, and you're going to be paying 3%. They just raised it from 2.5% to 3% interest. So if you borrowed $100,000, 3% of $100,000 would be $3,000. So you would pay $3,000 a year to borrow the $100,000. And how it works, you would be paying it monthly. So 3,000 divided by 12 is what you're going to be paying monthly in order to borrow $100,000, which I think is a good deal if you invest it in the right way. So I'm kind of dabbling, and we'll continue to keep you guys updated as time goes on regarding my portfolio. So right now I'm feeling pretty good. But if I show you guys, so this is based on today, if I show you guys the last month, you can kind of see where my portfolio has been in the last month. So in the last month, I'm at 263 in February. Over here, I was at 236, I think. At some point, I was at 236. I remember 236. But you can see 237. Remember, I have invested $254,000. So my portfolio was down almost $20,000 on March 15th. And so right now I'm currently at $294,000, which is always good, right? Like that's always really exciting. So in the last month, my portfolio has gone up $40,000. In the last 3 months, my portfolio is down $7,600. So it's still down $7,600 from 3 months ago. So 3 months ago, I was over $300,000. And then, of course, for the last year, my portfolio is up $59,000. And all time since I've been on Robinhood, which kind of back here in 2016, but I kind of took all my money out. And so I was down $4,300. I didn't do anything after like 2017, and then I came back in 2020. So overall, my all-time with Robinhood, I'm up $35,000, which is always really exciting. All right. Just wanted to do a video once again to talk about my 17th dividend payment with AGNC Investment and show you guys what's possible. All right. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already and give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. Okay. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.